What if the next gadget you buy actually makes your life easier, faster, or even safer? Today, we're counting down 20 insane tech gadgets worth buying in 2026, and number 1 is something you definitely won't see coming. Kingston IronKey 200, $129.99. USB drive is basically a digital vault hiding in plain sight. The Kingston IronKey 200 uses hardware encryption, a built-in keypad, and FIPS 140-. 3 security standards to protect your files without relying on software, cloud accounts, or drivers. SwanScout 504 wireless charger. Your nightstand is about to get a serious upgrade. For around $39.98, the SwanScout 504 charges 2 phones at once, or your phone and earbuds, while doubling as a sleek digital clock. Its touch-dimmable display lets you control the brightness, so you won't have a glowing screen lighting up your room at 3 a.m. It's simple, clean, and surprisingly practical. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. This $279 3D printer makes old-school 3D printing look seriously outdated. The Creality K2 SE can hit speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second and supports multicolor printing with up to 16 colors, without constantly swapping filament by hand. It also arrives almost fully assembled, making the whole process far less intimidating for beginners. For the price, this could be one of the most capable 3D printers to hit the market this year. Pongbot Aura AI Coach. Forget traditional training. This $499 AI-powered robot can literally become your personal sports coach. Pongbot Aura AI Coach switches between tennis, pickleball, and paddle, firing shots at speeds tailored to your skill level while tracking every rally. You can even control it with voice commands during a session. It's like having a high-tech coach on the court without paying for a human trainer every time. ChillCore Laptop Cooling Pad. Is your laptop sounding like a jet engine every time you game or render? The ChillCore cooling pad packs 9 fans, 8 height settings, and RGB lighting into a surprisingly compact setup. At around $27.98, it's designed to keep your laptop cooler during demanding sessions and help prevent performance throttling. For gamers and creators, this might be one of those cheap upgrades that makes a surprisingly big difference. Cybervault Magnetic SSD. Running out of phone storage while shooting 4K video? This $79 magnetic SSD enclosure could be the fix you've been waiting for. It snaps directly onto the back of your phone and lets you record 4K footage straight to external storage without cables hanging off your setup. For mobile creators who constantly battle storage limits, this is a surprisingly simple gadget that could seriously change the way you shoot. HOZO Ultrasonic Cutter. This $149 tool looks like something pulled straight out of a futuristic workshop. The HOZO Ultrasonic Cutter vibrates at an incredible 40,000 times per second, letting it slice through materials like resin, leather, wood, and even carbon fiber with remarkably clean cuts. If you're into 3D printing, crafting, or DIY projects, this could replace an entire drawer full of hobby knives with one seriously high-tech tool. JOREST Precision Screwdriver Set. This tiny $9.99 toolkit might be the gadget you never knew you needed. Packed with magnetic precision bits, it's built for fixing phones, laptops, game controllers, glasses, and those annoying little screws that always seem to disappear. It's compact enough to fit in your palm, but surprisingly useful around the house. For under $10, this is one gadget that can quietly save you from a frustrating repair. TGLLM Punching Trainer. Need a way to turn your stress into a workout? The TGLLM Punching Trainer costs around $69.99 and transforms your wall into an interactive boxing target. With 9 speed modes, Bluetooth connectivity, and illuminated hit zones, you can throw combinations to your own music while tracking every punch. It's basically a home gym upgrade that makes getting a workout in feel more like a game. ONEXPLAYER G1. Imagine carrying a gaming PC and a mini laptop in the same device. Starting around $899, the ONEXPLAYER G1 transforms from a handheld gaming rig into a full productivity machine by simply snapping on its keyboard. With a sharp 2.5K 144Hz display, it's built for serious gaming and work without carrying 2 separate devices. This is the kind of gadget that makes your backpack feel instantly obsolete. EZVALO Motion Sensor Light. This tiny $25.99 gadget could completely change the darkest corners of your home. The EZVALO Motion Sensor Light uses rechargeable LEDs that automatically turn on when you walk by, making it perfect for closets, stairways, cabinets, and hallways. No wiring, no constantly replacing batteries, and no hunting for a light switch in the dark. It's a simple upgrade, but once you have it, going back feels ridiculous. ONXE Toilet Night Light. This $12.99 gadget might sound ridiculous until you're stumbling into the bathroom at 2 a.m. The ONXE Toilet Night Light uses motion detection to automatically light up the bowl with changing colors, so you can avoid blasting your eyes with the overhead light. It's one of those cheap gadgets that seems completely unnecessary at first, but once you have it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Mimono Outdoor Projector. This $399 outdoor projector could turn your backyard into a private movie theater. The Mimono uses a laser projector with bendable legs and automatic keystone correction, delivering a crisp image up to 160 inches on almost any surface. And with a 4-hour battery, you can run an entire backyard movie night without hunting for an outlet. This is portable entertainment taken to another level. HEETIPUK Mini Speaker. Don't let the tiny size fool you. This little $10.99 speaker is seriously punching above its weight. The HEETIPUK Mini Speaker has a retro-inspired design that looks great on a desk while still delivering surprisingly usable Bluetooth audio. It's small enough to fit almost anywhere, making it a fun mix of decoration and everyday tech. For around $11, this is a seriously easy gadget to throw in your setup. SwitchBot Fingerbot. What if you could make almost any old appliance smart without replacing it? The SwitchBot Fingerbot costs around $29.99 and physically presses buttons or flip switches for you. Attach it to a coffee machine, light switch, or other appliance, then control it through the app and even set schedules. It's a tiny robotic finger, but it can give surprisingly old-school devices a serious smart home upgrade. TenTrend Charging Tower. Tired of having cables and power strips taking over your desk? The TenTrend charging tower costs around $32.99 and packs multiple fast-charging USB-C ports and AC outlets into a compact vertical design about the size of a coffee mug. It keeps your devices organized without eating up valuable desk space. For a cluttered workspace, this little tower could be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. LISEN Phone Stand. This $14.99 phone stand might fix a problem you didn't realize you had: your posture. The LISEN phone stand is fully adjustable and folds down for easy storage, while raising your phone to a more comfortable eye level. Whether you're on calls, watching videos, or working at your desk, it helps keep you from constantly hunching over your screen. Simple, affordable, and surprisingly useful. Vivilumens Alarm Clock. Waking up just got a lot less brutal. The Vivilumens alarm clock costs around $35.99 and combines sunrise simulation, white noise, wireless charging, and a dimmable nightlight in one sleek device. Instead of jolting awake to a harsh alarm, it gradually brightens your room before the alarm goes off. It's a simple piece of smart bedroom tech that could completely change your morning routine. ANYLASER X1. This tiny $99 laser engraver packs serious creative power into a device small enough to throw in your laptop bag. The ANYLASER X1 can engrave wood, leather, acrylic, and even 3D prints directly from your computer using free open-source software. Neideso 5-channel dash cam. This dash cam takes car security to another level. For around $149.99, the Neideso 5-channel dash cam uses 5 cameras to capture the front, rear, cabin, and interior angles in 2.7K, with GPS, night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. Whether you're driving or your car is parked, it's designed to keep a complete record of what's happening around you when it matters most. Which of these gadgets would you actually buy? Drop your favorite in the comments. I want to know which one surprised you the most. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe for more insane tech gadgets and future-ready gear. And as always, thanks for watching.